Hi, this is the OPPO Find N2 Flip and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the additional settings. Then click to the screen recording section and you'll see here sound section. If you wanna just record only mute videos, you should turn off these two switchers. If you wanna, for example, use the microphone to command something, you should tap on the switcher to activate it. Also, if you wanna use the record system sound to use the system sounds, you should use the switcher. Sure, we can use these two options together to use the system sounds and the microphone. Also, we can just turn them off. So we got one more way how we can launch the screen recording settings. First we should open the control panel and after that here we'll see the screen recording icon. Just hold for a while this icon and after that you'll see the same screen recording settings and we can change them. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.